Hey, are you looking at new construction or moving to Northeast Florida? Today we're going to check out Beautiful Home by Ashley Homes. It's actually a plan 2484, but there actually is an upstairs, so it makes it a 3,600 square foot home. Let's go check it out. When you first walk in, you have this beautiful study room on your right. And the first bedroom.
What are you doing?
I almost just fell.
Come on.
Here is beautiful open concept kitchen and living room and dining room. Beautiful gourmet kitchen.
Wow.
Stunning.
We have an
Official dining room. You'll see the fireplace here and the intricacies of the tray ceilings. We're going to go this way, where we're going to come to the master suite. Beautiful double tray ceilings.
Some people call it step up, some people call it tray.
It could be either.
Look nice, like
Here we are. His and hers closet. Elegant master bathroom.
double shower.
Let's keep exploring.
Let me go over here to the floor.
Across the way, find another bedroom. Nice chandelier. bathroom.
I like these tiles.
I was just gonna say that, yeah. Here you'll see double sliding doors leading to the enclosed patio.
Oh, this is nice. I like these pavers too.
It's favorite. Let's go check upstairs. Here we'll find an awesome, I'll let you be surprised. Beautiful loft.
Wow, nice. Very spacious.
Yes. And
Ooh, look at this.
cute little wet bar. A race car themed bedroom.
This is nice. I want to sleep here. This is awesome. There's another bedroom. If you like this home or are interested in other homes in Northeast Florida, send us a message. My name is Carolina Ortega, along with my husband Manny Ortega, would love to help you. Our contact information is down below. Send us a message. See you on the next tour.